Want delicious fruit? You need the right plants for your climate. It's all about the weather. Sun, rain, and temperature affect how fruit grows. Think of a pineapple. It loves sunshine and warmth. Now imagine a blueberry. It prefers cooler spots. Matching the plant to the climate makes all the difference. Before you start planting, do a little research. Find out your climate zone. Then choose fruits that will thrive in your backyard. The tropics. A paradise where the sun shines brightly and the air is filled with the scent of exotic blooms. Warm, sunny, and perfect for some of the most delicious fruits you can imagine. The tropics are a haven for fruit lovers. Think mangoes, papayas, and pineapples. These fruits are not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients. These fruits love the heat. They thrive under the sun's warm embrace, soaking up all that energy. They need plenty of sunshine and warmth to grow. Without it, they wouldn't develop their sweet, juicy flavors. Water is important too, especially during dry periods. Regular watering ensures they stay hydrated and healthy. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Proper soil moisture is crucial for their growth. To keep your tropical fruits happy, feed them regularly. Nutrients are essential for their development. Use a fertilizer that is high in potassium. This mineral is vital for fruit production and overall plant health. This helps with fruit production. A well-fed plant will reward you with a bountiful harvest. And be patient. Good things take time. Watching your fruits grow and ripen is a rewarding experience. Don't despair if you live in a cooler climate. You can still grow delicious fruit. Many fruits actually prefer cooler temperatures. Apples, pears, and plums are all good choices for cooler regions. They need a period of cold dormancy in winter to produce fruit in the spring. When planting in cooler climates, choose a sunny spot that is sheltered from strong winds. Mulch around the base of your plants to help protect their roots from frost. Section 4. Temperate treasures fruits for mild-mannered climates. Temperate climates offer the best of both worlds. They are not too hot, not too cold, but just right for a wide variety of fruits. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are all great choices for temperate gardens. These fruits enjoy sunny spots with well-drained soil. Grapes and figs are also well suited to temperate climates. They can tolerate some heat, but prefer cooler evenings. Regular pruning is important for these fruits. Section 5. Microclimate magic, creating your fruitful pocket. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of microclimates and how you can harness their power to create a thriving fruit garden. Did you know you can create your own little climates within your garden? These microclimates can be tailored to suit the specific needs of different fruit plants, ensuring they get the best possible growing conditions. These are called microclimates, and they can make a big difference to your fruit growing. By understanding and manipulating these small climate zones, you can extend your growing season and increase your fruit yield. A south-facing wall, for example, can create a warm and sunny spot, perfect for growing heat-loving fruits. This area can capture and retain heat, providing an ideal environment for fruits like peaches, figs, and grapes. A hedge can provide shelter from strong winds. By planting a dense hedge, you can create a windbreak that protects delicate fruit plants from harsh gusts, reducing damage and stress. You can also use water features to create humidity. A small pond or a water fountain can increase the moisture levels in the air, which is beneficial for fruits that thrive in humid conditions. This is especially helpful for tropical fruits that love moisture in the air. Fruits like bananas, pineapples, and papayas will flourish in a humid microclimate. Get creative with your microclimates. Experiment with different setups and see what works best for your garden. By understanding and utilizing microclimates, you can create a diverse and productive fruit garden that thrives in various conditions. Section 6. Universal fruit growing wisdom tips for every gardener. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you cultivate a thriving fruit garden. No matter where you live, there are some universal tips that will help you grow delicious fruit. First, mulch. Mulching is one of the best things you can do for your fruit trees and plants. It helps retain moisture and suppress weeds, creating a healthier environment for your plants. Mulch also adds organic matter to the soil as it breaks down, improving soil structure and fertility. Second, encourage pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and other insects are essential for fruit production. Without them, many fruit plants would fail to produce a good harvest. Plant flowers to attract them to your garden. Choose a variety of flowers that bloom at different times to provide a continuous food source for pollinators throughout the growing season. Finally, be patient. Fruit trees and bushes can take a few years to start producing fruit. It's important to give them time to establish and grow strong, but trust me, the wait is worth it. When the time comes, you'll be rewarded with an abundance of delicious homegrown fruit. Enjoy the journey and the fruits of your labor. Gardening is not just about the end result, but also about the joy and satisfaction of nurturing your plants and watching them grow.